Best practices for Azure SQL Managed Identity is a crucial topic for anyone looking to leverage the benefits of managed identities in their Azure SQL deployments. To get started, it is essential to understand what managed identities are and how they work. A managed identity is a secure way to manage access to Azure resources without the need to store credentials in code. Azure SQL Managed Identity allows Azure SQL Database and Azure Synapse Analytics to authenticate to Azure services without needing to store credentials in code. To use Managed Identity with Azure SQL, you need to enable the Managed Identity on your Azure SQL resource. Then grant the necessary permissions to the Managed Identity. The first step is to enable the Managed Identity on your Azure SQL resource. This can be done through the Azure portal, Azure CLI, or Azure PowerShell. Once the Managed Identity is enabled, you can grant the necessary permissions to the Managed Identity by assigning the required Azure roles to the Managed Identity. When using Managed Identity with Azure SQL, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure secure and efficient use. One of the key best practices is to use the least privilege principle when granting permissions to the Managed Identity. This means granting only the necessary permissions to the Managed Identity to perform its tasks, rather than granting excessive permissions. Another best practice is to monitor and audit the use of managed identities. This can be done through Azure Audit and Azure Monitor, which provide detailed logs and metrics on managed identity usage. It is also essential to regularly review and update the permissions granted to managed identities to ensure they are still necessary and valid. In addition to these best practices, it is also important to consider the security benefits of using managed identities. Managed identities eliminate the need to store credentials in code, which reduces the risk of credential theft or exposure. They also provide a secure way to manage access to Azure resources, making it easier to comply with security and compliance requirements. In conclusion, using Managed Identity with Azure SQL provides a secure and efficient way to manage access to Azure resources. By following best practices such as using the least privilege principle, monitoring and auditing managed identity usage, and regularly reviewing and updating permissions, you can ensure secure and efficient use of managed identities in your Azure SQL deployments.